Hello everybody and welcome to the Logical Machines Rhodes software download tutorial. To get started, we're going to open up our web browser and navigate to the Logical Machines website. Once the website is loaded, we're going to move down to the customer support link and click on that. After the customer support page is loaded, we're going to scroll down to the 8th option, Rhodes Software System Download. Please know if you have a heavy firewall setting, you will need to adjust this to allow the download to be completed properly. As well, in Windows 10, you may experience some pop-up windows wanting to protect your PC from us. The more info is actually a link. Please click that, and that will enable the Run Anyway option. Please click this. As well, you may experience and allow access to make changes to this computer. Please click yes to continue. The only reason you're going to see these things is because the app that we've created was not made by Microsoft, and therefore they do not recognize it. And that does not make Windows very happy. So you have to allow that for us. In the text, you'll see Rhodes System Installer. Please click this. This will begin the download in the lower bar here if you use Firefox. If you use a different option, you may have a download option up in here. Please click that and open the window, and then click on the download that's available. Again, due to our firewall setting, we're seeing some stuff in here that allows us to ask if we want to discard it or keep this. Please click the keep option. Double click on this download, and that will launch the install setup wizard. We're going to click next. The software will create a desktop icon for your ease of access to the Rhodes application. Please click Finish to continue, and this will bring up the drivers extraction setup. Please click Extract. That will open the install wizard for our drivers. Click Next to continue. This is a standard license agreement. Please highlight the I accept this agreement and click Next to continue. After this, we'll get a finalization window. Please click Finish, and we are all done. This will, like I said, create our desktop window, and then therefore we can access the Rhodes desktop application as such. This concludes the download tutorial from Logical Machines for the Rhodes system application. Thank you very much for viewing, everybody.